Do the other animals, buddy.
Let's do scoop back. That's enough. Stay there.
You guys need to scoot closer together. Tell her to scoot closer.
Scoot closer.
No, other way, baby.
This way, this way, this way.
Keep going.
This way, this way, this way.
Keep going.
That's better.
That's better. There we go.
I scoop back.
No, don't scoot back. You got to stay close. Okay, go.
I sit right here.
Ethan, talk to her. Talk to her, Ethan. You talk to Mommy. Sit. Talk to Mommy.
Sissy, sit right here. Mommy.
What, baby?
Sissy.
Sissy. What's a pig say?
Sissy. Sissy, what's the piggy say? What's the camel say? What's the camel say, Mommy?
I don't know what the camel said.
Sissy, stop.
What did Sissy do?
Sissy just pulled it.
Okay, Sissy, say excuse me. Sissy.